called up the neighbors to tell them the news. A young baby child that the world can abuse. I cried and I cried when they called it a ruse. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. I had realized the night before the day I turned 7 that even if acting nice could get you to heaven, the earth that you live in will treat you like hell. So I'm leaving my chains all behind. Now I remember sadly the youth of my day. The minute they found out young Jacob was gay, they stoned him with words and they stuck him with trees. Now we're leaving our chains all behind.
Then I'm leaving my chains all behind. Then you brought me a woman right into my life, and we found out that love is full of heartache and strife. The jagged edges